Hey guys, it's me, Lamisha. Welcome back to another video. So it's Friday. I dropped October off at school. We were a little bit late, I'm not gonna lie, okay? It'd be like that sometimes. We wake up a little late. So after I dropped off at school, I was like, I don't know, it was either yesterday or the day before that where I just had this feeling where I was like, I just want to go to the beach. And it's been really cold out here lately, but today it's a decent day. It's almost feeling like I need to be in nature, or in my mind, I've just been thinking, my mind's been saying the beach, go to the beach, go relax, go to the beach. And today after I dropped her off, and I have plans later today, but it was early, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go. Like, I wasn't prepared for nothing. I'm not dressed for the beach. Early morning, I said, let me go. So I just hopped on the freeway, and I got here. I stopped at the store, grabbed me a couple snacks, and now I'm here. Check out my view. Haven't quite gotten to explore this beach yet. They call it's like a park beach. They got grass, they got sand, goes all the way around. I haven't quite explored yet. I did picture myself, taking my headphones and walking around and seeing some more, but I just been so chill in this one spot right here. Got these on these little chairs, just chilling with this, hearing the waves hit the rocks and the sand under my feet and the sun right above me. There it is, y'all. The sun right there. Just, I can feel it on my face, my skin, my melanin is coming, it's popping, So I just been cool right here, but I would like to check out some more. But I do have to get back because I do have to. I'm expecting guests later, so I'm having a dinner later. I'm cooking dinner for a friend, so I do have to get back. But I am enjoying my time here. I don't actually want. I don't want to leave. Really just want to be here chilling. So I thought I'd pop in and make this video for you guys so you guys can see what's going on, and see how our weekend is going. I do have, like I said, dinner later on, so maybe I'll pop in with you guys again when I'm cooking dinner. I'm making a glazed whiskey bourbon salmon for my friend. I've made it before. I got the idea from when I went on a date one time at Yard House, and I got that. They have this whiskey bourbon salmon that was really good, so I was like, I'm gonna make this at home. So I made it at home for my friend, and she loves it, so she's coming tonight. She's like, can you make that salmon? I was like, yeah, I'll make that salmon for you. So when I leave, I'll go get the ingredients, and I will head back home and pick October up and get started on cooking that meal, and I will see you guys then. For right now, I'm gonna enjoy a few more minutes in the sun with the sand under my feet, and I might even feed these little ducks right here. Look at them, they're all over there. Let me try to get down there. I don't want to hurt myself on them rocks. Look They got a little path right here. Yeah, guys, like I said, I was not prepared. I didn't bring like sandals or flip-flops. I had tennis shoes and socks, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go. So here I go. Definitely getting the grounding that I need. Definitely getting this grounding in today. I feel a little bit better though too, to be honest. I feel lighter, like a little happier because I don't know. I think sometimes you just need grounding. Your feet need to be in the dirt. What is that? Some type of like shell-like thing. Oh! I moved it. I scared myself, y'all. I scared myself. Okay, but I'm gonna go. Where'd the duckies go? They all the way over there. Maybe they'll come. Maybe we can find some seashells over here somewhere too. So look, y'all, the water is looking a little rusted. A little rusty and dusty, so I don't know if I want to get in there, but I need to go somewhere where the water is clear, you know. I really miss doing my little travels. I really miss my little travels because I love to go to the beach. Everywhere I go, I gotta find a beach. There's some duckies over here. You got a shell? Got a cool shell. Maybe I'll take these back to October. She's gonna be so jealous that I came to the beach without her though. To be honest, you guys, she's gonna be a little upset. She's gonna be like, you went without me? I already know. I can already hear her. If y'all know October, you already know. That's what she gonna say. None of these ducks is coming for this bread though. Ain't they supposed to be able to smell this? Still got some more there. I'm just gonna get it later. All the way over there. I was gonna change and go sit in those seats over there. Put the grass under my feet and be closer, you know, to the water. But I like the little spot that I'm in. I love the sand. The waves are getting a little higher. But you guys, y'all saw me. I tried to feed the ducks. I tried to feed the ducks just now. They not taking my bread, but maybe the bread will move over there and they'll catch it. But I found me a couple shells. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, look it. It's like not even open. So does that mean something's inside? Does that mean something is inside of it if it's not even cracked open? Because usually when you find these type of shells, they're halfway. They're half the shell. Cracked open. Looks like sea glass. It's cute. Another one. See what I mean? That's what I mean. Half. I'm going back up to the sand because the rocks are starting to hurt my little feet. But it's quite beautiful. I will have to bring October back one day. Look at this one. It's pretty cool, huh? So like this place has like a little community center or something like that. It's got a pool over there so you can swim instead of swimming in the ocean. I know it defeats the purpose because you're supposed to want to swim in the ocean, but y'all saw that water now. Still got like walking paths over here. It's really nice. I'm gonna take these shells back home for October. A lot of shells. So yeah, I just been chilling Just been chilling. It's nice weather. It's a beautiful day. That I'm gonna pop back in when I get back to the house and I start cooking, and I'll show you guys what I'm cooking. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my rest of my little time here. Put my feet in the sand. It's a little warm. I love it. Bye. Hey y'all, back at home over here cooking. I got the girl, this bestie Jennifer right here. There go my little sister Ashley right there. There go bestie Joyce right here. So she suggested that I make this meal, which is a glazed whiskey salmon with asparagus. This is all her choice here. It's all her choice here. What y'all think? What y'all think? Came out good? Ashley's still waiting on her plate, y'all. She waiting patiently for her plate. So I'm over here cooking. Got the asparagus going. Salmon's going. It's a good thing Joyce went to the store for us, though. Because I was only planning for 2. And here we are with 4. So, you know. So, getting back to work. The salmon is calling me. My mom's birthday. Yesterday was my mom's birthday. But tomorrow she's having her birthday dinner. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna record. I'm going to make a video about that. Just comment down below. Let me know what you think about the scene, about the view, guys. Like I know you think it's beautiful. Go ahead and put that comment down. Put it in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe and like this video. Like this video because I know you like it. How can you not like it? So I know you like this video. So like it and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.